Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the too many login attempts error on Steam on your computer device. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you find it useful. First of all, you're going to go to your settings and then you're going to go to where Steam is installed. And from there, you're going to clear the cache. By doing so, you're going to go to the file location, so open file location right here, then go to the config. And from here, you can see there are different files. You're going to delete config.vtf, and then from there, you're going to delete this, the login users. And from there, you're going to close this and then shut down Steam fully and try to reopen the application. If that doesn't work, then simply go to your settings and then go to network reset. Click on network reset, and from here, you're going to click on reset now. Now, in case you have a VPN that you are using and is turned on, instead of doing this, then simply go and turn off your VPN, then shut down Steam and try to reopen it again. Finally, if that doesn't work and you're trying to log in from your Chrome browser instead of the Steam application, there you're going to have to clear all your data and cache. So go to the top right section of your Chrome browser, go to settings, and then you're going to search for cache, delete browsing history, and from here you're going to go to 24/7, 7 days, all time, whatever you would like. Doesn't matter, but most importantly, you're going to delete the cookies and other site data. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.